Your boy just went into full panic mode, guys. Let me explain. Y'all see this TIPM? This is the old one. This one the new one. I just put a new TIPM on here, chasing a stall out, no start prop. When I put the new TIPM in and program it, it's time for me to go test drive it. I don't know, instinct. I decide to push the horn and nothing. All of a sudden, I go into panic mode. Oh my goodness, I just put a TIPM on this car. And guys, there is no horn relay or no horn fuse. The complete horn output circuitry is run by the TIPM. Oh my God, did I do something wrong? Did I put the TIPM in wrong? Lo and behold, my other instinct kicked in and I decided to go check this. The horns themselves live down here, guys. So I had to partially remove this bumper. So what I did is took the bump off partially just to gain access to the horn. There is no connector on there. I don't know why, but I'm going to plug them up and see what happens. There you have it, guys, the horn working. So I want to guess that the customer unplugged the horn simply because they were sticking, all right? Yes, a TIPM can cause your horn to stick, all right? And some customers just soon unplug the horn so they won't have that problem instead of replacing a $700 to $800 TIPM.